Hi there everybody, delighted to have you along for the ride for this game. Alan Smith has joined me in the commentary position. These two sides have agreed to play each other in a friendly game and hoping to get some positives out of it.
Yeah, and you look back on the matchups between these two sides, there have been one or two feisty encounters, there's some rivalries out there, and it might be quite tasty.
So here we go, we're underway here. Here's Fabregas. Good pass. Gonna cross it. And it's a heading chance now. Fine start from Fernando Torres.
He was never going to miss early in this match or not.
And that's one certainly for the description of Alan Smith.
Getting up above his centre-half, he had no chance. Great movement in the box from him to start off with, to get the room, and then once the chance came, the header. Oh, what a thumping effort it was.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. Eden Hazard. Bale. Well done by the goal, the touchline. Oh, in goes the cross. That's what the defenders want from the goalkeeper. It wasn't a great cross, but he's come out and... passing the ball nicely to get onto the attack here. He slid in. He's gone for goal. That's neatly done. Challenged by the defender. Very good. Raul Albiol. Keeps it going well. He's got support here. And there's the slide challenge. Brilliant. And he takes the shot. They're passing it well here. Great. And the shot's on. And the goalkeeper saved it. Or with the corner. And he heads it for goal. And it's in! The header! Great goal! One of the great sights in football to see the net bulging from a fine header like this.
Yeah, dwells back the years, doesn't it? A real striker's goal, that one. Well, it was a good set-piece, Martin, but defensively, you have to ask one or two questions. They just weren't marking properly there.
Well, we're back at level pegging again at 1-1. Blaszczykowski. Fernando Llorente. He's hungry for goals, no doubt about that. And he's met it with his head. And he's climbed well with the header. Here's Van Persie. He's in. A great strike. Well, he got away, and it...
in right, or 9/10 right at least, just that final finish. Couldn't manage it.
Good ball. Slid in. What a chance. Tries his luck. Well, that was a shooting chance. Bale. Santi Cazorla. Well executed. That's great defending there, stopping that attack. Harrison. Corner didn't produce. And here's the shot. Good strong challenge, looking to slide the ball away. Puyol. Good ball. So he takes the shot. Wonderful finish. They've been working hard to try and get in front, and now they've done it right on the half-time whistle.
Yeah, and having scored, they probably didn't want the whistle to come, but I think they deservedly got that goal. What a wonderful goal. When he gets the chance, he makes full use of that opportunity with a wonderful touch. And as for the finish, well, there was never any doubt, was there?
And the scoreline is 2-1. Raul Albiol to cut it out. Oh, good skill. Just to lift the ball there at the right moment. Here is an opportunity to break forward, really. He's going to cross it. The cross well away from those wearing his colour shirt to try and turn it into a goal. The opponents have got the ball. They need more back here to curb this piece of attacking play. Half-time now, and 2-1 is the score at the break. Great moment to score just before half-time, and that's put them in front. It came very late in the half.
Yeah, I think it's lifted everybody in that dressing room, just as though expecting a little bit of a volley.
And this is going to be a change here for the team that is leading, and it's clearly a tactical one to try and cement that winning position. Raul Albiol. Villa. Cesc Fabregas. Good pass. Here's the chance. The service was superb. This is the chance. Back in the firing line, and this time back in form.
Well, yeah.
Interception here from Fabregas. No doubt about that. Free kick. Wonder what the planning is. There's no booking here, and they're nowhere near the right distance back. Goes for goal! Now the corner to put the team that's leading under some pressure. Shots on here. Well blocked. It's probably just about on the edge of the range from which you can expect a goal kick. Eden Hazard keeps it going well. Great shot. You can have a crack here. And there it is, the goal. It is a goal, and it was coming.
Well, sometimes as a keeper, if you're having a bad day, you're made to pay, and he certainly has been. Well, you have to hand it to him. What a lovely first touch that was. He had to get it spot on, and he did just that. And what about the finish? Accuracy. Oh, I'd say so.
And the scoreline is 3-1. Kaka cutting that one out. He's in the clear. Pato saved it. Well, he has a go. Clean in at the goalkeeper. That's a wonderful pass. He drives for goal. Going for more glory. Even that's time for change. Time for change for both teams, as it seems. Kaka. That's a great interception. good interception by Raul Albiol. Here goes Sneijder. He's found his teammate. And in comes the header. Wonderful save. But just lost it there. And now the opposition, and they're getting forward well. Offside is given, and that stopped them in their tracks. Mighty close.
It was close, and he's a really pacey customer. He could have afforded just a delay.
Just got away in the nick of time. And it's a heading chance, and the shot's on. Well, that was a chance to get back into the game.
Yeah.
Well executed. Sliding challenge. Brilliant opening. Ooh, that was a chance until he got a foot in. Right area. That's a good pass. And the attacker needs a bit of help, and he's going to get it now. Ball from Kaka. It's cut out there. Villa. Teammate free in the centre. Sneijder. He's put him in here. Looking to reach the ball with a slide tackle. And hits it. And the ball's gone out. And he heads it for goal. Well, the corner wasn't defended at all well. Necessarily a probability. And it didn't happen for them this time. Good ball. Torres in the clear. And here's the shot. Good judgment by the goalkeeper to come out and make that save. Now that attempted pass from Sneijder, spotted by the opposition. Good pass. Llorente. He stopped the first shot. Goalkeepers got it just.
Well, he's put his head in there amongst the boots, and that is a really brave stop.
And it's come to an end here with the final whistle.
Well, sometimes you get a win by nicking the result, really, but not today. They've gone out there on the front foot, stayed on the front foot, and got what they deserved.
Yeah, not just the strikers, the way they did attack as a team, the players that assisted the goals, it was first class from start to finish.
What an amazing football match this has been. It's been a real pleasure to bring it to you. I'm sure I speak for Alan Smith, who's been alongside me tonight. I'm Martin Tyler. Until the next time, goodbye to you.